River skimboarding today. We've been up this river once before. I'll put the link to the video up here. And just trying to hang out. It's the first day in Florida. Just gonna keep exploring and see if we can find a better spot so these guys can keep trying to jump. Yo, so we're pretty much done here with the skimboard stuff. I think we're gonna head back to the house, maybe go on the boat, but we'll catch you there. Alright guys, so we made it back to the house. You guys saw Landon and Jackson were throwing it down on the skimboard. So the plan here is we're going to try and get as fast as we can, and then my dad's going to throw me. We'll see how far we can go. Yo, we got throttle, dude. Alright, I think we're done with that. We're gonna head back. The sun's going down. Pretty beautiful day though. Had fun for our first day back in Florida. So we'll catch you tomorrow or one of these days.